Welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex. Please subscribe. I post yoga videos every day. I am here with a gentle, relaxing, restorative flow. Let's begin lying down on your mat, on your back. Untuck the tailbone. Palms are face up. Untuck your shoulders. Let your legs relax. Arrive. Bring your awareness to the present moment. Focus on this inhale, this slightly longer exhale, in and out through the nose. Reach your arms overhead. Bring the right heel to the right corner of the mat. Keep the legs straight. The left leg is going to cross over at the ankles, mostly straight. Pick your upper body up. Reach it over to the right. Set it down. We have a crescent shape along the side of your body. Try to soften the left shoulder down. Hold the left wrist with the right hand. And breathe. Feel heavy. Soften out anything that is not contributing to what you're doing. It could be a thought. It could be your jaw. Just scan. If nothing is wrong, don't look for it. Lengthen out the breath and feel all the way down the left side of your body. Reach through center and switch sides. Bring the left heel to the left corner. Pick up the right leg and cross at the ankles. Lift your upper body up just a little bit over to the left. Left wrist holds, left hand holds the right wrist. Feel a lengthening stretch all the way across and down the right side of your body. Try to relax the right shoulder to the mat. I usually want the eyes open, but I will say it's okay to close the eyes as long as you aren't drifting off. You can do that at the end. If you find that happening, keep the gaze soft, the eyes open. That is good for presence. Reach back through center. Flex the feet, reach your arms overhead. You can arch the back a little bit. On an exhale, sit up and fold forward over your legs. Keep the knees soft and soften over the legs. Thread the hands and arms underneath and rest your head down. Try to find relaxation. If this is too much, you can use a block or any prop and just go where you can go. I like the knees bent sometimes just because it lets you relax, and we focus so much on touching our toes and little poses that aren't really the idea. We want to feel the entire back body stretch. So give ourselves, let's do that, a few rounds of breath. Use your hands to help you to sit up. Cross your feet at the ankles. Find your way onto tabletop and child's pose. Big toes together, knees are apart. Relax over the legs. Have your knees a little bit wider than normal so you can feel this in the hips. Forehead down. Breathe. Feel everything you feel. That's the temperature of the air around you. That's your feet on the mat. That's your shirt, your clothing, whatever. Just be present this moment. This moment has no depression. This moment has no anxiety. You are here right now. This second, you're okay, I promise. Let's just breathe. Press your hands into the mat. Sit up. Find a tabletop. Tuck your toes. Sit back on your heels and untuck the pinky toes. Eagle arms, left arm under, right arm over. Reach your elbows away from you, up and down a few times. Release, reach your arms overhead. Inhale. Left arm under, right arm over, same thing. Feel good shoulder stretches. Release, tabletop. Tuck your toes and press back to a downward facing dog, but keep the knees soft. Bend one knee at a time and walk, pedal it out. And sit back down or lower back down to tabletop. Pigeon right side. Bring the right knee behind the right wrist. The foot is across. Someday the shin is parallel to the front of your mat. Lengthen and fold forward over the right leg for a few breaths. Find a place that you can hold and maintain a calm expression and calm interior thoughts. Start to press out to release. Back to a tabletop. Long exhale, child's pose. Tabletop. Bring the left knee behind the left wrist, pigeon. Left side. Set yourself up. and relax over your left leg. So someday the left shin is going to be parallel to the top edge of the mat. When you first start out, the left foot will be closer to the right hip flexor. Just give yourself time. Smooth out the breath and relax forward. Let's press into the mat. Come back up to a tabletop. Let's do 2 cat-cow. Inhale, arch the spine, open up the front of the body. Exhale, press everything away, tuck the chin round your back. Once more, inhale. And exhale. Neutral spine. Let's sit down in a comfortable seated position. Cross your feet at the ankles, sit up tall, or sit any way that's comfortable. Relax your head, your neck, find half circle, full circle. Roll the shoulders up, back, and down. Bring your palms to touch at heart center. Inhale, bring the arms overhead. Exhale, float them down to the right. Left hand to the right knee. Twist. Use your right hand as a kickstand, a reminder to twist. And sit up tall. Release your arms overhead, reach up, inhale. And exhale, float them down, twist to the left. I'm on the fingertips of my left hand. It's the kickstand, but it reminds me to sit up tall and pull the left shoulder back. Release through center for a closing breath. Inhale, reach the arms wide overhead. Breathe in again at the end. Long exhale, lower the hands down to heart center or by your sides. I am so lucky for your presence. Thank you so much for joining me. Please let me know what you thought with a comment, a like, a share. I will see you in my next video. Namaste.